CLiK Extra spray-on protects sheep against fly strike for up to 29 weeks, as well as protecting mulesing and marking wounds during the wound healing process. Before use, put on some elbow-length gloves, read the instructions carefully and shake the drum well. CLiK Extra can be applied to all breeds of sheep, off shears or with any length wool up to 3 months before shearing. The dose rate depends on the type of protection required and the live weight of the sheep. Weigh a representative sample of sheep in each treatment group and draft into 2 or more lines if necessary. Do not dilute or mix CLiK Extra with any other product. CLiK Extra can be applied using the 10mm Elanco applicator or the 15mm Elanco applicator. Each applicator is fitted with a spray fan nozzle to ensure thorough coverage. The 10mm Elanco applicator applies a band of up to 10mm and is recommended for most situations. The 15mm Elanco applicator should be used when a 12mm band is required for treating sheep weighing 21 to 30 kilograms. Make sure the applicator is clean before use and calibrate it using an accurate volume measure. CLiK Extra is applied as a low-volume treatment to the areas to be protected, such as the body, breech and poll. For the protection of body strike, CLiK Extra is applied at 10 to 18mm per head and has 1 or 2 bands, depending on body weight. Position the nozzle of the applicator gun about 15 to 25 centimetres above the fleece to achieve a 15 centimetre wide band at each pass. On sheep weighing more than 30 kilograms, apply 2 bands along the backline. Make sure the bands overlap along the midline. For sheep weighing less than 30 kilograms, apply 1 band along the back. For the prevention of breech strike, CLiK Extra is applied at 10 to 18 millilitres per head, depending on body weight. On sheep weighing more than 30 kilograms, apply 2 overlapping bands in an arc across the breech. On sheep weighing less than 30 kilograms, apply 1 band in an arc across the breech. For protection against poll strike, apply 5mm of CLiK Extra around the poll and horns of rams and other susceptible sheep. For the prevention of fly strike after marking, CLiK Extra is applied at 4mm as a single band over the crutch. Ensure thorough coverage of the open wound if the tail has been amputated or where the rubber ring has been applied. For ram lambs, a further 4mm can be sprayed over and around the scrotum area after the rubber ring has been applied. For the prevention of fly strike after mulesing, CLiK Extra is applied at 8mm per head for sheep weighing less than 30 kilograms and 10mm for sheep weighing more than 30 kilograms. Apply as 2 bands, 1 over each side of the mulesing wound and overlapping 25mm into the surrounding wool. Note that it is good agricultural practice for mulesing and marking to be carried out at times of minimal fly activity. CLiK Extra can also be applied using a Genesis power doser, which is ideal for treating large numbers of sheep. Make sure the power doser is fitted with a fan spray nozzle to ensure thorough coverage. An operating pressure of between 48 and 52 psi is required for application. After treatment, wait until sheep are dry before rehandling. Wash the applicator in warm soapy water and then rinse with clean water. Wash your hands after use. Always adhere to the withholding periods stated on the registered label. CLiK Extra has a 3-month wool withholding period, a 21-day meat withholding period, and an export slaughter interval of 9 weeks. Do not use on ewes which are producing or may in the future produce milk that may be used or processed for human consumption. CLiK Extra protects sheep against body, breech and pole strike for up to 29 weeks. CLiK Extra is not as effective against strains of Lucilia caprina that develop resistance to dicyclonil. Resistance may develop to any chemical. The length of protection may also be reduced by the presence of dermatophilosis or significant soiling with dags, mud, dust or urine, gusty or windy conditions during application, heavy rain following application or heavy scouring after application. Consider a light crutching before treatment if sheep are heavily soiled with dags. Note also that CLiK Extra is not recommended for treating existing strikes. Use a registered wound dressing such as Extinosad Eliminator to treat existing strikes. Do not apply at the same time as any other backline product. If you have any questions concerning the use of CLiK Extra, please contact your nearest Elanco representative.